Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today the winds are picking up, guys. It's like 80 mile per hour winds, past hurricane winds. So we are like in a category 1 hurricane, but just instead of the rain and the floods. So it's like a category 1 hurricane, just take out all the rain and all the floods and just leave the wind there. That's what it is. It's windy as hell. Okay. Guys, hear that? That's how strong the winds are. Those are the trees. Oh! Oh God, now the winds are really picking up. The winds are really picking up. See how it sounds like the ocean? That's not the ocean. Those are all trees, guys. Let's go on the back. Oh God, I'm getting a little scared, guys. What? God, it's so windy out here, guys. I think the backyard is a good place to actually look at the winds. Like, literally, the winds are horrible here. I'm not kidding. Like, just... You guys see those trees? That's not the ocean. That is not the ocean, guys. The winds, we're like in a hurricane, like 80 mile per hour winds. But guys, the winds are horrible here. Literally, this bush is just, look at it wiggle, and yet, so it's like winds are so bad. Really, the trees, the tall skinny tree outside and out front, it literally looks like it's gonna fall. This isn't good. Yeah, also the windows are also making noises, but it's horrible. Really, hold on, guys. So, guys, I am back. Oh man, I need to open this window. Open the kitchen window. That's just hard with one hand. Yeah, these windows are old. Like 1995 or something like that. Hear that? You hear that noise? That's the windows. So guys, it's just... Okay guys, we have it open. The winds are bad up there. Like, I hate these little freaking squares. Oh, you guys hear that? Oh man, now that is winds. What's with the winds? Oh my God. The winds are bad, guys. Dang. I wish you guys could see this. Oh, God. This is... Right now we are inside a hurricane. Right now we are inside a hurricane. Just without the rain and the floods. Oh, no. Oh God, I'm mushy. I see that? It's the wind, guys. It's the wind. Luckily, it stops tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day. Oh dang! Oh, the tree is bending over so far. Whoa! Oh God, that's not supposed to. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. It's gonna calm down a little bit, okay? So yeah, bye, guys.